New research has uncovered something remarkable. Certain supplements could potentially extend human life by up to 20%. This transformative discovery reshapes how we view aging and unlocks exciting possibilities for living longer. In this video, we'll dive into the scientific evidence supporting 5 powerful supplements that may help you live past 100. We'll explore how these compounds function at the cellular level to slow age-related decline and possibly add years to your life. To understand aging, we'll examine 2 critical cellular processes. Picture telomeres as the protective tips of shoelaces. Over time, they erode, causing cells to age and die, which affects tissue and organ health. Then there's mitochondrial function, our cells' energy hubs. As we age, these batteries lose efficiency, leading to lower energy and higher oxidative stress, both of which accelerate aging. Recent studies highlight key pathways, like those involving NAD+, a vital coenzyme for DNA repair and energy production, which declines with age. This reduction in NAD+ may speed up cellular damage, but researchers are investigating how boosting NAD+ levels could slow aging. Understanding these mechanisms sets the stage for the 5 supplements we'll cover, each targeting these aging pathways. We'll assess their scientific backing and potential benefits, noting that individual results depend on genetics, lifestyle, and health. In the sections ahead, we'll break down each supplement, exploring their role in promoting longevity. The first 2 supplements are cornerstones for longevity: vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D goes beyond its role in bone health and calcium absorption. New research shows it supports immune function and reduces inflammation, key factors in slowing age-related decline. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for supporting heart and brain health. Emerging studies suggest they may play an even larger role in longevity. Research indicates omega-3s can improve cognitive function and slow age-related mental decline, promoting long-term brain health. A recent meta-analysis found omega-3 supplementation significantly lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease, a major cause of death worldwide, highlighting their potential to extend both health span and lifespan. Combining vitamin D and omega-3s may offer synergistic effects, potentially enhancing cellular repair, boosting immune health, and providing broader protection against age-related conditions. For optimal intake, experts suggest 1,000 IU of vitamin D daily, with higher doses for deficiencies. For omega-3s, Dr. Tetsuya Kiyaki recommends 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Key dietary sources include fatty fish, fortified dairy, and egg yolks for vitamin D, and fish, walnuts, and flax seeds for omega-3s. Next, we'll explore advanced supplements targeting cellular aging directly. NAD+ boosters, which are gaining traction in longevity research. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, a coenzyme critical for energy production and DNA repair, naturally decreases with age, potentially speeding up aging and related diseases. 2 NAD+ precursors, nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, and nicotinamide riboside, or NR, show promise in raising NAD+ levels and supporting cellular health. Hey, you! A quick pause. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can't miss any of the other essential videos we got. Now back to the video. Animal studies have shown striking results with these compounds extending lifespan and improving aging markers. However, human research is still early, and while initial data is encouraging, more studies are needed to confirm their long-term impact on human longevity. For those considering NAD+ supplements, choose products with third-party testing for purity and efficacy. Given the lack of strict regulation in the supplement industry, as research progresses, NAD+ boosters remain a promising frontier in the longevity science, with ongoing studies expected to shed more light on their role in healthy aging. While the evidence is exciting, approach these supplements cautiously, balancing enthusiasm with the need for further research. Our 4th and 5th supplements are natural compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties: curcumin and resveratrol. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, shows impressive effects on cellular health. Studies suggest it activates longevity pathways, potentially slowing cellular aging and reducing oxidative stress. Research in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity indicates curcumin may support healthy aging and extend lifespan. Effective doses typically range from 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, with absorption improved by pairing with black pepper. Resveratrol, found in red wine, grapes, and berries, shows potential in activating longevity genes, particularly the SIRT1 gene, which supports cellular stress response and DNA repair. While early studies were mostly in animals, new research suggests benefits for human health and longevity. Both curcumin and resveratrol may protect brain health and slow age-related cognitive decline, critical as cognitive disorders rise in aging populations. Note that these compounds may interact with medications, especially those affecting blood clotting or blood sugar. Combining these antioxidants with other longevity supplements may amplify their benefits. To wrap up, vitamin D, omega-3s, NAD+, boosters, curcumin, and resveratrol each target specific age mechanisms at the cellular level. However, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and quality sleep remain the foundation of health and longevity. Supplements should enhance, not replace, these core habits. The future of longevity lies in personalized supplementation tailored to individual genetics and environmental factors. As research evolves, we'll gain deeper insights into how these compounds interact with aging processes. For those eager to take charge of their longevity, stay skeptical of bold supplement claims, follow credible research, consult healthcare professionals before starting supplements, and prioritize a healthy lifestyle. Regularly reassess your approach as new research and personal health insights emerge. By pairing these evidence-based supplements with solid health habits, you can make informed decisions for a longer, healthier life. If you like this video, check out our next video right here, and as always, have a good one.